Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a salad with sardine, and this is super delicious. I usually eat it in a sandwich. So first of all, I have sardine steaks. I'm adding in some roughly chopped tomatoes, some diced onions, some garlic, and as you guys know, I love eating garlic and I put that in pretty much everything. Next up, I'm adding in some chilies. You can use whichever chili that you like, Thai chili, red pepper flakes chili. But today I am using these chilies from a little island called Rodrigue, and these are super spicy, so I'm only using about 1 teaspoon of it, and I have them chopped as well so that every bite has a little bit of chili in them and it just makes it super delicious. And also add in some salt and pepper, and on the side as well I have fresh coriander. And you can mix everything up all together and it makes this super delicious salad. And like I said, you can have these in between buns. They're super good with bread, or if you like, you can have it with rice as well, with a little bit of either lentil soup or dal, whichever one suits your preference. And again, this is super delicious. It is super easy to make, and this is actually one of the popular Mauritian quick dishes that there is. And this is my recipe for the salad. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. What else do you do with your sardine? And have you ever tried this recipe? And thank you very much for watching.